private listening lesson in reading. Start. Lesson 1.
Do the sound. One more time.
Task 1.
Yes, number 1. Again. One more time. Again. Okay, very good. Next. What's the sound? Again. Again. Very good. Let's see for task 2. Can you read that?
Motor.
And can you do it fast?
Motorboat.
So fast. One more.
Motorboat.
Again.
Motorboat.
Okay, next word.
My favorite dessert.
Okay, go.
Ice
And
cream.
can you do it faster?
Ice cream.
Oh, one more time.
Ice cream.
Again.
Ice cream.
Okay, what's the next word? Can you do that?
Okay. Sis.
And
Sister.
one more time.
Sister.
Again.
Sister.
Okay, next. Oh,
My favorite food.
okay. What's that?
Ham.
And
Burger. Hamburger.
one more time.
Hamburger.
And
Hamburger.
again.
Hamburger.
Okay, what's the next one?
What the?
You say the sound. You know the sound?
Okay.
How about that? Me. Me. And very good. How about you say it fast?
Me.
Again.
Me.
Very good. What's the next one? The sound of E.
E.
Again.
E.
Very good. How about do it fast?
F.
Very good. Again.
Okay. This.
Do it again.
Okay. E. F.
Very good. Next one. Say the sound of an A. And again. And when you say it fast,
M.
again.
M.
Very good. What's the next one? Again. Do it slow. And when you do it fast,
Me.
very good. What's the next one? With the sound of again. In. And when you do it fast,
N.
again.
N.
Very good. What's the next one? What's the sound of C? C. Again. Yeah. When you do it fast,
C.
very good again.
C.
Okay, next. Again with the sound.
Let's do it slow.
Do it slow. Again. And we do it fast.
M.
Again.
M.
Next. Again slow. In. And you do it fast.
N.
Very good. Next. A different one. There you go. On. Again. You do it fast.
On.
Very good. Oh, the same word. Go. Sound.
Next time, it's Medium.
Okay, go. Medium. And do it fast.
M.
Very good. Next. Medium.
Yeah.
Go. And fast.
F.
Very good. How about the medium for that? And the fast one?
E.
Very good. The next. Okay, let's review that one. What's the sound of that? What is the sound? Okay, the next one. What's the sound? Very good. Oh, that's a different one. What's that? Do it louder.
Motor.
And
Cycle.
you do it fast.
Motorcycle.
Wow. Again.
Motorcycle.
Next. With the sound,
Why is this like that?
because it says E. Yeah, and very good. And you moved it fast.
Me.
Very good. Next. Again. Medium.
This is hard. This said yeah.
Yes. But if you do it fast,
F.
very fast. Okay, what's the next one? Medium.
No.
About
This is
so when you see an SH, you sound she. And you do it fast.
she.
Very fast. And that's how you write the letter M. Can you write it on the air? Go, follow. On the air like this. Down, down, and down, and down. Great. One more time on the air. Down, and down. And later, we will write on the paper. Next. How do you write the Z on the air? Very easy.
Do it again.
Yeah? Great. Oh, next. Oh, so we end up that.